Hello Pints of Wildlife fans, welcome back to Pints of Wildlife, and today we are having another Animal Rarities episode, Animal Rarities Part 2, and we have a special episode because today we're looking for an animal that should not be in the UK, the helmeted guinea fowl. Now this seems to be crazy because we've just found the guinea fowl immediately in the second clip, right over there. If you focus on them, that bird over there is an African species from Africa that has been introduced in the UK for meat. Guinea fowl meat is high and valuable, and it's really good, a good source of protein. So that's why they were introduced to the UK for meat. Helmeted guinea fowl are named helmeted guinea fowl because they have a small crest on their head. That gives their name. Now in Africa they have to be very cautious as there's lots of predators such as lions, leopards and cheetahs. There's no real difference between males or females, and their diet consists of seeds, insects, and sometimes you may even see them eating meat. And right over here we have, I think, a specially built feeder for them. So the birds will put their beaks down there and chop it down with their sharp beaks. These creatures are not shy at all, because when you stay with them for maybe an hour or less, they get really used to you. We're at the Red Squirrel Enclosure, and there's already lots of wildlife, mostly wildfowl like mandarin ducks, Eurasian widgeon, and the amazing lesser white-fronted geese. Fun fact, mandarin ducks are the most colourful ducks in the world. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.